This stunning Challenger 604 private jet was manufactured by Bombardier in 1999 and placed into service in the year 2000. The Challenger 604 has seating for up to 12 passengers, a stand-up cabin, fully enclosed bathroom, and is accompanied by a flight attendant for safety and in-flight cabin service. The feature that separates this plane from other charter aircraft is the custom-built hydraulic wheelchair lift, being the only one in the United States. This state-of-the-art system can support passengers weighing up to 350 pounds, including the chair as shown. The passenger requiring the wheelchair lift will need to be transferred into the wheelchair shown in the video for both boarding and debarkation. The powerful lift will slowly raise the passenger directly into the plane, at which that time the passenger will need to be transferred to one of the 4 comfortable captain's chairs inside the front of the aircraft cabin. For safety purposes, the wheelchair lift will be stowed by the flight crew for the duration of the flight. Due to the weight limitations of the lift and the size of the aircraft cargo door, many custom battery-operated chairs may not fit inside this plane. For more information or a quote on this private jet, please call Air Charter Advisors at 888-987-5387 or email info@aircharteradvisors.com.